But overall, like your question of can computer science to data science be done? Sure, absolutely. Absolutely. Ah, Rex, yes, I saw that you asked this question in our Discord. And I think it was a good question, Rex. So Rex says, are data science reports the most common deliverable in data science? They are good deliverables along the way, Rex. Yes. You should be giving a lot of presentations and a lot of results to your stakeholders along the way, right? Because you want their feedback. So yes, there are a lot of deliverables as reports in data science, but it's not the only deliverable and it's rarely the most impactful deliverable. At the end of the day, the most impactful deliverable is the algorithm. When you take the algorithm, you implement it into their process and they start to use it. That's the ultimate deliverable, right? But you should be producing a lot of reports and a lot of feedback to give to your stakeholders and then collect their feedback. So I know that's a little bit of a different answer, but I think it's an honest answer, right? That yes, they are report deliverables. You will be doing a lot of PowerPoint work, but it shouldn't be. But it's not going to be your ultimate deliverable.